So long overdue for an EDC update, so I thought I'd just get straight into it, get cracking with the noggin. So first thing, bandana. Keys changed very slightly, same stuff, just different brands. Replaced the titanium double-barreled whistle for a Olight. Titanium single barrel one, 120 decibels, bamboo style. Still got the tool for the camera mount. Changed the Leatherman for a Victorinox Classic SD in black. Still got the little titanium thing on. Still got the Uncle Bill slither grippers. And I've changed the Olight flashlight for a Phoenix EO1. Really old flashlight, but it works. Only one power setting. Battery's starting to die in this one. No problem. Just takes a double A. Just got a cheap crappy one in. So that's the flashlight, and that's the keys. Pen, Nightcore NTP 21. Nice pen. Haven't had it in a while. Stopped carrying it because just got a lot of dirt, pocket lint and whatnot. Kept on going down those and clogging it up, but not working for the landscaping company now, so I'm not bothered about getting stuff falling in there. Knife, got a very basic Higo knife. It's not a Kanakoma or anything, it's just a real cheap one. One of the £15 ones with the SK5 steel blades. The only problem I have with this one is the handle's steel, so when the blade goes in, this bit hits and it dulls slightly. But one of the good things about these is they're over 60 on the Rockwell hardness scale, so it takes a lot to actually dull it right down. But it doesn't really bother me. I know how to sharpen knives, and it's therapy for me, so it doesn't bother me if that dulls down. Flashlight, going back to the old Olight SR Baton original, just lying around gathering dust, so thought I'd bring it out. And the wallet, got the Trivax original 2.0 with a brass bead. Got a lighter, Ranger by Turbo Flame. And the watch, the Hoya Octavia, or Octavia, yep, Octavia. So that is my EDC for, well, personal on-body carry. I'll do the bags right now. So since I'm no longer working for the landscaping company, I'm pretty much doing not much in between looking for jobs. I still haven't got the drive to lug camping and bushcraft gear a couple of miles into the woods. I don't have any drive to cycle a couple of miles with fishing gear strapped to a bike, so easier for me just to get on a bus, go to the city and walk around for a couple of hours taking photos. So pretty much all I've been doing is street photography. So as far as that goes, got 2 bags, going to stop using this one, move on to a backpack, because I've started my YouTube channel, street photography one. I'll put a link to it in the description. I've only got 2 photos and 2 videos, and they're both crap. But main reason why I want to stop using this bag is because I want to put a GoPro mount on the chest, and I can't really do it with this bag. Well, I can, but it's a bit awkward. I'd rather use a backpack because it's easier to strap that on. So this bag for now, the Low Pro, had it for a while. I've got a bottle holder mounted onto it, and I can just about get 2 cameras and a few little accessories in here. So the cameras are Sony a6000. Put a thumb grip on it for extra grip and comfort, and a fancy, very expensive Peak Design strap. So that's the digital camera, and I've got a old Zorky 4K with a 35mm wide angle lens, and another Peak Design strap, 200-pound brake and strain. So if somebody tries to grab it, it gives us enough time to kick the kneecaps out. I might get social anxiety, but I've still got enough sense of self-preservation to defend myself if I have to. Anyway, made in 1975 in the USSR, built like a tank. Awesome camera. So the backpack I'm going for is the 511. Forgot which model it is, but I'm going to be mounting a GoPro on here on the strap. I think with my social anxiety, part of it's not wanting to stand out in crowds of people and draw attention. So I've got one video where I'm actually filming myself going through the streets. Well, not really filming myself, but sort of a camera POV. I had the smallest GoPro I've got mounted to the bottom of the camera like this, which didn't really give the effect that I wanted. But a New Year's resolution, I'm going to stop letting anxieties rule my life. So I'm going to start putting the GoPro on the strap. And it's a small GoPro, it's not too tension grabbing. Watched loads of YouTube videos of other street photographers, and they've all got chest mounted GoPros, and nobody pays any attention to them when they walk past. So most of the attention that's drawn to them is to the camera that they've got, the main camera. So other things that are going in the bag: another lens for the Sony. I can't really fit more lenses since I'm carrying the 2 cameras, because that little Low Pro, it's only really designed for a mirrorless compact camera like that, in 1 or 2 lenses and spare batteries. So I'm going to be sticking a 14mm wide angle. I'm getting a new lens for that as well, which is a 25mm. lens. Hopefully I'll get that tomorrow, or at least by Wednesday. And 50mm Russian lens for the Russian Zogi. So that's it. When I'm not doing street photography, I'm looking for work. Haven't found anything yet though. Left the landscaping job 2 months ago and I got my first payment of job seekers allowance or universal credit on the 2nd December, and it was 2 months with no real money after I left that. So only problem I've got is I'm 36 and employers aren't looking for anyone under 25 or people with any skills, because that means they can't send them on training courses to get government grants for the training. So got the age against us. The agency that put us on the landscaping job's unreliable. The only job that they've given us is that one. They haven't contacted us about any others. So they might put us back on the landscaping job again when the season starts. Doesn't bother me. Will change the next time though if I go back, so I'm not letting people walk all over us like I did last time. Things are going to change. But that's a story for another time. So that's my EDC video for this month. Thanks for watching.